epic adventure. It's me and
Mr. Whiteslade.
We are coming at you from the bowels of Manhattan. We're heading over to Jersey.
Lincoln Tunnel, y'all.
Hey! We're on an epic adventure to get a marble dining table for
But wait, not any marble dining table, a pink
yes. Marble dining table for Doyleywood. We'll keep you updated throughout the day. Y'all, we've arrived in Jersey.
And watcha.
We're about to go get this table, y'all. Okay, you guys, I'm sort of like really panicked right now. My worst nightmare has happened in moving this heavy ass pink marble dining table out of Chris's vehicle. There must have been something with just the two of us who were trying to heave and hoe this at the time, and it cracked right down the middle. And yeah, so I am like trying not to hyperventilate because this was like a major Craigslist deal, and now with this crack, like, I'm freaked out. We've moved it inside safely. It's on the base, so it's secure, kind of. Follow me. And this is what I mean by kind of, because we've got TV trays and books rigging up either end here because of the crack. I don't want this heavy ass table falling on anyone or the floor. So, this is a major make it work moment, and we're gonna fix it. Y'all, okay, slightly less panic. The genius man that is Mr. Whiteslade found this awesome Loctite power grab construction adhesion. It is specifically for marble, as well as many other things, and we have tried this out. We did discover that there was a pre-existing crack in this table. And, I mean, I'm not totally surprised because, as y'all know, marble is veiny. That's what makes it gorgeous. And some varietals are more veinier than others. Those veins are actually stress points. So, this girl had gone through some stress before in her life. So, in order to make this adhesion as tight as possible, we did chip away the old epoxy or adhesion, whatever was in there that they had repaired prior, and this hopefully made this a clean crack, if you will, for this new adhesion to stick. And so just take a look. It's already in there. We've already sort of scraped away the excess using the putty knife. And honestly, I mean, this girl is so veiny, you can't really even tell where the original veins were versus this cracked situation. So, gonna let this cure up properly, and fingers crossed. Y'all, yes, look at this! Okay, the table is fully cured. We've removed the TV trays, and so far, so good. She's holding steady. In fact, when I move it slightly, the whole table moves. I'm not going to be doing any kind of like table dancing yet, but thank you so much for the prayers. Praise this table. It looks so good. I hope that you can see all the color nuance. You can't even really tell where the crack was because the veining is what it is, and it's so beautiful. I'm so ecstatic. I feel like I'm on one of those like QVC shows where I can like give you the beveled edge here. Look at this detail, y'all. And of course, don't be shy, camera. You better pan down to that faceted base. Faceted base, and I'm in the background. That's right. I'm still here, giving y'all crystal QVC gloriousness. In fact, there's more. This mid-century chandelier is dripping with faceted crystals that I just finished a week or so ago. And you know what else? We topped her off with this ceiling medallion, which is actually a repurposed mid-century sunburst clock that was no longer working. That's how we do it, Doilywood. Yes, I'll keep going.